Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can set date and time format on a Excel sheet. See, this is on the Excel sheet. For example, on this cell I gave something like long date format and here the short date format. Likewise, we can keep the time format also. I'll explain you how you can do that. First of all, when you select a cell on a particular cell, to insert a date or a time, you can give something like the formulas. You can just type something like is equal to and today in caps and braces. That's it. When you yeah, when you expand this, it came something like short date format. See here, you can click on this drop down and click on long date, or else you can click on this option. So here you will have more options. For example, whichever one you can choose. Okay, see here, just if you don't want the year, you can confine to the date and the month. And not only this, you have the countries drop down. So for example, when you check with the different time formats with the different regions, and in that case also you will have different options to set. See here, this is a different date format and this is a different date format. And there is a shortcut also. You need to just press on control plus 1 digit 1, then also you will get this formatting cells. In that number you can choose whichever format you want. Okay, whichever format you want, that format will be available here. And one more thing, I told this is the date, and for example if you want to set the time, for the time to insert, you can formula is this is the format. So this is date with the time. And now if you want to change the format or set into different style, you can just again click on that and you can choose something like this. So immediately it gets changed. Yes, you can set to whatever structure or the representation you like. In that way you can actually give that. Okay, yeah, you can shift to the time here, time, and just go to the options available and you can check that. And not only that, likewise same in the case of date, you will have the regions. Okay, shift to the available region or your required region, and see here, this is the numerical numbers of time in a different format. So likewise you can click on this arrow and you can change the location area. If your required location is available, just you can set the date and time. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.